So it's 7:30 a.m. in the morning and I just had my skincare done. So we're doing my makeup today. I washed my hand, but I'm just, yeah, okay, I washed my hand already. So the first thing first, I'm going to put this thing. Sebenarnya aku tadi sudah pakai sunscreen, tapi nggak tahu kenapa ini bisa jadi kayak lembab yang bagus juga gitu loh. Dapat itu, kan? Tidak ada breakout, but you know, it's okay. Today I'm using primer from Mother of Pearl Anti-Cakey Lick and Smooth Gripping Primer. I have waited for around a minute after I put my primer on my face and it feels much more sticky. Anyways, I'm going to put on a concealer. This is from Aska. The shade is Vanilla. Tapi honestly, this is too light for me. Karena tadinya tuh kulit aku agak lebih cerah dari ini. Tapi habis itu kayak menggelap mungkin karena aku banyak aktivitas outdoor. So this looks much more. This is like too light, too cool for me. I feel like my skin is more of like a neutral kind of skin. And tuh nutup kan. Tadi ada kayak apa sih bilangnya bekas jalan yang kering gitu. Talking about failure, I think that everyone faces failure in their life, dan kayak orang-orang tuh kalau di sosmed benar-benar mengkurasi apa yang mereka mau post. Jadi kelihatannya bisa hidup orang tuh sempurna banget. Padahal of course they have experienced failure as well. Pernah nggak kalian ngeliat kayak orang, anjir kok nih orang kayaknya bener-bener no flow banget gitu. Contoh nih ya, kayak aku sendiri, aku juga mengkurasi kok apa yang aku posting di social media. Misalkan contoh kayak aku kemarin gagal exchange ke Cornell, padahal aku udah bener-bener nyiapin banyak hal untuk itu, starting from my English, my essay. I have asked many people to cross-check my essay. I've trained a lot for the interview. I made it to the final round, but then I didn't get accepted. But yeah, you know, tapi recently aku baru ngeh kayak memang God's timing is always perfect for you. Something that you thought was the best for yourself is not the best for you. Kayak it's something you want, not something you need. Tapi kalau God's timing tuh something you need, not something you want. Kayak recently sering banget ngobrolin ini sama my friend, terus kayak aku ngeliat benar banget lagi. Dan maksudnya kadang tuh failing on something tuh literally is a redirection, bukan kayak kamu lagi dihukum. Mungkin ada beberapa hal yang bisa dijadiin bahan untuk introspeksi diri, untuk kayak cari tahu kira-kira kemarin tuh kurangnya di mana gitu ya. Tapi it doesn't necessarily mean that kayak, oh berarti kamu kemarin itu gagal karena ngelakuin hal ini atau itu gitu. It's not always like that. Aku sambil makan clear soup karena lapar. Balik lagi ngomongin soal kayak aku abis ini mau pakai cushion tapi kayak nyam-nyam. Oke, kita move on lagi, balik ke topik obrolan yang tadi ngomongin tentang failure. Misalkan kita kalau misalkan ngelihat orang lain, kita punya tendensi buat compete. Tapi ada orang yang mungkin sudah berdamai dengan hal itu, jadi dia nggak pernah lagi compete sama orang lain. Jadi compete-nya sama dirinya di masa lalu gitu. Kayak aku tuh sebenarnya tahun kemarin kayaknya justru lebih banyak achieve banyak hal daripada tahun ini. Kenapa kayak downgrade-nya tahun ini gitu? Have you ever experienced something like that? Nah, sebenarnya I think that mindset tuh sebenarnya a little toxic sih. Kayak you're being harmful to yourself. Karena it is true that you need ambition, you need passion untuk selalu bisa keep up with whatever you're doing gitu kan. Tapi kadang you need to slow down, breathe a little, dan istirahat for a while. it's very okay, and it's nothing wrong with that. Kayak nggak ada yang salah, dan kamu nggak jadi langsung gagal ketika kamu choose to rest for a while. Karena kayak aku bilang, yang kamu kira tepat untuk kamu tuh not, bisa jadi enggak gitu. Kayak yeah, you know yourself, kamu orang yang paling tahu diri kamu, dan you are the only person who will decide what you want to be, what you want to do. But at the same time, you have to let go what the universe tells you to. I mean, in konteks universe-nya adalah kayak God and the whole universe knows what is right for you. Kayak yang tadi aku bilang soal failure gitu. So, you know, take it easy and breathe and all that. By the way, aku nggak tahu brush aku di mana, jadi aku bakal pakai tangan untuk applying like blush. I myself, I have always been an advocate for self-love for so long, since I was 16 years old, and I always believe in that. Okay, I haven't changed my mind a bit. Karena ya benar-benar kayak, how can you love other people when you can even love yourself? When you can make peace of yourself? Kalau kamu udah bisa sayang sama diri kamu tuh, kamu bakal kayak tahu, oh, you want to treat other people the way you want to be treated. Dan kamu gimana ya? Self-love tuh bukan selfish, bukan berarti kamu kayak naruh diri kamu over everything else, di atas, maksudku di atas yang lain gitu. Kayak kamu the best, kamu nggak boleh gini loh. Kita as an individual, kita punya hak, tapi hak kita itu bersinggungan juga dengan hak orang lain. Jadi makanya the terms of self-love tuh bukan berarti tanpa batas, tanpa limit, that we can just cross other people's boundaries. We need to still to respect them. Karena berarti kalau misalkan konsep self-love kayak gitu, it is not self-love, it is selfish. Karena the concept of loving yourself is a compassion, self-compassion. Get the highest level of self-love is self-compassion. You get to love yourself very dearly, tapi juga tahu how to treat other people nicely. That's self-love, self-compassion, honestly. Oke, ini bagus. Udah kelihatan nggak sih? Sejujurnya nggak ada kelihatan, tapi ya udahlah ya. And then aku bakal pakai face powder ini. Face powder by Lazy Powder. Harusnya tuh pakai brush sumpah, tapi kayak aku nggak tahu pakai mana. Nih, buat nge-set dulu gimana? Ya aku nambahin blush dikit tadi. Ini from this island. Aku nggak tahu kalian tahu atau enggak, tapi ini local brand yang menurut aku bagus. Tapi packagingnya tuh agak kayak meh gitu. Nih lihat itu, tumpah-tumpah nggak tahu kenapa. Lihat, betul? Kayak harus diri apply setiap saat. Tuh tumpah-tumpah gitu berlebaran. Terus isinya juga nggak terlalu banyak. Tapi ya bagus. Ini setting spray guys. Agak jauh. Tadi aku ngambil kacamata guys. Forgot. Okay, now we're done. Rate my look 1 to 10. Don't forget to love yourself. Butterfly hug. Bye bye.